Stocks are doing well. So is the real estate market. And cryptocurrencies are on fire. Investors are happy. We all hope it will last, as we know investing is the best way to build wealth. But, and this is a big but, while some investors are happy with the growth from stocks and crypto, we can't forget about the most important element of investing. And that is portfolio diversification. Part of your portfolio should contain stable assets. Why? Because it can protect you from the turbulence of economic activity. To future-proof yourself from any economic turmoil, it's important to add a bit of stability to your portfolio. And a primary stable asset is gold. It has so many benefits. It's a good hedge against inflation. It doesn't crash in turbulent times. Many people are also taking advantage of the option to roll over a 401k to a gold IRA. Whatever option you choose to invest in gold or diversify your portfolio, it's good to seek the help of a broker to manage the process. We have reviewed many of the gold IRA brokers and have provided a review on 5 of what we believe are the big players in the market right now. We have included an analysis and the pros and cons of each of the 5 gold IRA companies. They all provide free investment kits. Take a look at whether one of them will meet your needs. Check out the description for more information on diversifying your portfolio with gold and gold IRAs.